What is up, guys? My name is Nash and welcome back to another video. And today I just received an email from Robinhood when I woke up this morning, and this is what it said. Alright, so as you can see, guys, Robinhood has approved me for fractional shares, which is really awesome because I've been waiting on this for a while, and I know a lot of you guys have also been waiting on this or are still waiting on this. So yeah, so this is I know a lot of people thought Robinhood was lying when they say they were going to do that. So this is proof that they're actually doing it. So what I want to do in this video, I want to go ahead and show you guys how to purchase fractional shares. I'm going to go ahead and invest into two companies. These are companies that I've always wanted to own, but they're always so expensive. So with fractional shares, I'm going to be able to purchase, a fraction of a share, so I could just say I own those companies. But we're going to go ahead and switch over to Robinhood right now, and I'm going to be showing you the companies. Alright, guys, as you can see, we're in Robinhood right now, and my portfolio is losing 5% right now, just like everyone else's portfolio. But I'm going to be doing a portfolio review sometime this week, so I can show you how much money I've lost over these past couple of months. But this is what it looks like right now on the day. Alright, so I'm going to be looking into J&J and ATVI. Alright, so the first one is going to be Johnson & Johnson, which is a pharmaceutical company. And you can see that on the day they're losing about 2%. On the week they've been growing 6%. And Johnson & Johnson is still expensive in my eyes. I don't know what you guys consider expensive, but this is pretty expensive, $128. But I do want to invest in this because it is a great dividend company. It has a dividend yield of 2.9. I know Robinhood says 2.8, but it's actually 2.9. And the next company here I want to look into is going to be ATVI, or Activision Blizzard, which is a company that makes video games. If you play video games, you probably know about them because they own, I think, Call of Duty and other video games. I don't really play video games, but I do know that it is a good industry that's growing, with esports and all of that. So it's a good industry to get into. On the week, they're up 4%. That's surprising. On the month, they're down about 0.81%. 3 months, 0.3. So it didn't really get affected by what's going on. And it has a dividend yield of 0.6. And Robinhood says 0.7, but it's actually 0.6. You can look on dividend.com. And also, they've been growing their dividends for about 9 years now. So I think, that's an okay track record. But I do want to get into this industry because I believe, it's something that's going to be taking off in the near future because of esports. So I have $3.62 from the dividends that I've been getting paid for the past couple of months. So I'm going to be splitting this evenly. So we're going to go ahead and go into J&J. And we're going to go ahead and click on trade. And we're going to go ahead and say buy. Alright, so here's what it looks like. So you're going to have an option up here that says dollars. So click on that. Alright, so you're going to see on top of market orders, you have buying dollars and buying shares. Over to, if you want to buy fractional shares, you want to buy in dollars because that's going to allow you to put in the exact amount of dollars that you want to put into the stock, right? So let me go ahead and click on shares, buying dollars. And I want to go ahead and buy $1.81. As you can see, it says $1.81. You're going to go ahead and hit the check mark, and you want to go ahead and buy this. So swipe to trade. So give it a second. Alright, so as you can see, my J&J order has been completed, and invested amount at $1.81, and shares purchased I have 0.014133, and the average price is 128.07. Go ahead and hit done. There we go. Now we have J&J. So I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of the money to buy ATVI. So I'm going to go ahead and click ATVI. And I'm going to go ahead and hit trade and buy. Do the same thing. $1.81. That. Done. So there you go. That's it. Yeah, so that is pretty much it, guys. I mean, that's how easy it is to purchase these fractional shares. It's nothing special. So let me know in the comment section below if you have purchased fractional shares, if you have been approved for this, or if you're still waiting for it. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. And I want to show you something, guys, real quick. What I usually do when I purchase a stock. So alright, so as you can see, guys, these are the companies that I have in my portfolio. So I like to put sticky notes right here so I can keep track of them. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching.